What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Your 20s are definitely the best time to build and create the life of your dreams. Mostly you will never have as much energy or even look as good as in your 20s. But as I know, a lot of guys are wasting this time with mindless activities that don't get them further in life. That's why I created this video to show you 5 things that every man should stop in their 20s in order to become a real man and even your best version possible. If that sounds interesting guys, let's hop into it. Number 1 guys, still playing video games. Don't get me wrong guys, you don't need to ban it out of your life if you really love it. But those days where you just play video games all day long and living still like you're 16 years old have to stop. In my opinion, video games are just a distraction from real life. I mean, real life is also a game, and in my opinion a way more interesting one. So replace your video games with working on your goals. Make a plan what you really want and take actions in real life. Number 2 guys, still having a bad diet with a lot of junk food. So many guys in their 20s have still a bad diet and already have some kind of a beer belly or even man boobs. And they even wonder why they feel unmotivated and bad most of the times. Guys, having a clean and balanced diet is not just a trend, it is a lifestyle that everyone should follow. You will feel much more motivated, more energized, and also look 100 times better. So next time before you grab some junk food, think about it twice. Number 3 guys, still living at your parents' home. It is time to build your own life, so stop being carried by your parents. Have an own flat and get your life under control. Trust me, being independent is one of the best feelings in the world. Number 4 guys, partying every weekend. A lot of people think they need to participate on every party, otherwise they will have a feeling of missing out. And honestly, I never had something more dumb than this. I mean, most of the time you will just waste your time there. Don't get me wrong here guys, so a party or even going to the club can be great, but please don't make it the main focus of your life. Instead, look for a real purpose in your life, something that you will love to work on. This one will lead to long-term happiness instead of short-term distractions. Number 5 guys, smoking weed or even smoking in general. Guys, you are young, so why do you want to destroy your body? You're gifted with this one life and you still want to harm your health or even die earlier? It is clearly not worthy. Please guys, value your life. Take care of yourself guys and replace those bad habits with habits that bring you further in life. That's basically it for today's video. Those are my top 5 things that every man should stop in their 20s. I hope I could help you in your journey and even give you some motivation as well. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, become part of the family. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next